Wow, you have so many vehicles.
So
So many
many.
vehicles. What is this? Excavator, or maybe we can say this. What's this? Is it a tractor? So how about this?
Dump truck put excavator.
Dump truck. What's the color of the dump truck?
It's a dump truck.
Huh? Kata, it's broken. Can you say it's broken?
It's broken.
It's broken. Alright, how many tires of the trucks? Can you count?
1,
2, 3, 4. Wow, there are 4 tires. There are 4 tires. Okay. What's this? What is this?
tires.
Those are the tires. What's the color?
It's a green tires.
Green tires?
It's a green tire.
Ah, no. This one is black tires.
Green tire.
Yeah, black tire. Wow. Where is it going? No, it's a wheel loader. It's not a bulldozer. It's different. It's different. This is a wheel loader. Wheel loader. It can lift up the things and put it in the truck, in the green truck. Okay? Wow. Wow, really nice toys. Who bought it for you? Who bought them for you? Huh? Who bought them for you? Mommy? Mommy did. Wow, Mommy did. Can you say Mommy is kind? Mommy is kind.
Yeah!
I love you, Mommy.
Come on!
Can you say, Flo? I love you, Mommy. Okay, so the excavator is gonna dig the hole and scoop the soil into the rock like this. Dig the hole again. Okay, scoop the soil and put it in the truck, and then the truck is ready to dump it. Wow! What's this? Excavator, excavator. Okay. What's this? Hey, what's this? It's a dump truck. How about this? What's this? Huh? Oil tanker truck. It's an oil tanker truck. Okay. Oh, big oil tanker truck. Wow. It's really nice, right? How many vehicles do you have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, wow. Woohoo! This is really nice. Hey, you, go.